Yeah, well, I mean, it's pretty incredible what's happening. I mean, first and foremost, I've talked about, Coinbase, which definitely still own. Coinbase is down in sympathy, obviously, because this is not an acquisition traditionally. Obviously, this is under stress, and I think it's a very fluid situation. But I think that this is what's happened when you have a good old-fashioned bank run. And, unlike the banks that are backstopped by the Federal Reserve, and I've said this before, there is no Federal Reserve in the crypto markets. And so when you have, CZ come out on 24 hours ago and say he's going to unload the equivalent of $2 billion of FTT, well, all of a sudden people start to panic, and then that feeds on itself. And so, I looked at FTX a second ago. I think it was at $4. It was at $24 hours ago. And so this is definitely a stress situation in the space. But I think it goes to the point of Coinbase remains the only regulated, publicly traded, crypto exchange. And I think you're going to continue to see Coinbase actually benefit from this because FTX US and Binance US are actually really small businesses because they don't have that regulatory framework.
Calls into question, Joe, does it not, the fragility of this whole marketplace, to Bryn's point, lack of regulations, this whole, Wild West sort of landscape that it feels like at times?
Well, I think it absolutely pulls forward the potential that there will be bipartisan legislation for regulation to be enacted upon the industry. And this is a calling that's exactly what you need. You need the watchdog. You need the regulation. You need that in the industry. You don't have central clearing. You don't have the presence of traditional banks. And now you have a crypto player bailing out another crypto player. Okay, ultimately,
who was bailing out everybody else?
So is it a game of musical chairs when you're down to the last crypto player?
Well, it feels that way.
But who bails? Do you reach a moment where a traditional player comes in and bails out someone in crypto? I'm not sure that's exactly what unfolds. So to get ahead of that, I think regulation's the most important thing. You need the legislation.
Bryn, maybe you need some adults in the room. I don't know. I'm thinking back. It's obviously not the same thing, but what was it, more than a year ago? It feels like we're talking about Robinhood and the issues that it had from a liquidity standpoint. You have, people who are reasonably new to the whole exchange operation. Maybe we need some adults in the room.
Well, I think these are some really smart people, that and this is a new in quotes, technology. But I think it goes back to, in the Great Depression, there was no regulation. That's why people lost all their money. And I think to kind of continue with what Joe was talking about, what's frustrating is there has been bills floating around Congress around stable coins. And Brian Armstrong is part of that group. There's a lot of, most people, senior people in crypto want that. But really what you have is you still have, from what I understand, the CFTC and the SEC arguing over who gets to regulate it. And right now the SEC is just coming and doing regulation by enforcement. And so that, to me, you're going to continue to see in these private companies, very different than publicly traded companies that have totally different standards. You're going to continue to see these things occur until you get a framework that's a level playing field for everybody. Because once again, Binance and FTX, their businesses in the U.S. are really small relative to Coinbase. Their business is mostly overseas because the regulatory framework is totally different.
Real quick, Joe.
Bryn, do you think this leads to capitulation in Bitcoin itself?
No, I don't. I think it's a fluid situation. I don't. I think that I think you still need that regulatory framework to come in, because I still think that people are still reeling from the Voyager, the Terra Luna issues, and until you have that framework, more players are coming out. I will say Bitcoin is still standing, right? Ethereum is still standing. And so I think you continue to go back to kind of like that Michael Saylor narrative that just buy Bitcoin. But we'll see. I own Bitcoin, but I think Coinbase, in terms of the rails and what BlackRock and Google, you're going to continue to see those institutions going to a place where they can trust. And to me, Coinbase is still the best player in town in the U.S.